Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to get verified on Coverstar and increase your credibility on the platform. First, open the Coverstar app and log in to your account. Go to your profile and tap the Settings or Account Options section. Look for the Verification or Request Verification option if it is available. Make sure your profile is complete with a clear profile photo, bio, and active content. Sometimes the platform reviews accounts automatically based on activity, followers, and authenticity. You may also need to confirm your email or phone number. Once your request is submitted, wait for Coverstar to review your account and notify you if verification is approved. Subscribe the channel for more videos.